You can expect a lot from the 2015 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe has just over 80,000 miles. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, rain-sensing wipers, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.